strikes. One is Haito, which is called the reach hand, and the other one is Shuto, which is called the knife hand attack. Okay, so two techniques today. First, understand what is a Haito. Haito, the inner edge of your hand is called Haito, this way. Okay, this is called your Haito. So when you strike with the Haito, you strike generally on the temple. Okay, on the side of your skull. This is the place where you strike with the Haito. Reach hand strike, right? So when you strike a Haito, normally you strike in Zen Kutsudachi. In Zen Kutsudachi, the stance is always Zen Kutsudachi, and it cuts through this way from the center line. Okay, I will quickly show you. You attack from the side on the temple, from the side on the temple, from the side on the temple over here, like Mawashi Zuki, right? Same way, Haito Uchi, a strike. Uchi means a strike. Okay, so I show out. Let's go for Haito Uchi. First we go in Zen Kutsudachi, which everybody knows, and Haito Uchi. Yes? Okay. Relax. Come back. Shi. Back. Go. Back. When you are striking Haito Uchi, your hand has to be slightly below your eyes. You're looking at the target. You're looking where this Haito strikes. If it strikes on the temple, you're looking at the temple of the person in front of you. Knee. Back. Some. Back. Shi. Back. Ish. Back. Knee. Back. Some. Back. Shi. Back. Go. Foot. Back. Okay. Moving freely. Where do we move freely? When we are doing sparring. Kumite. Okay, we move freely. So just relax. With both the hands in front. In fighting stance. Your Fudodachi. Okay. Come forward and strike from outside. This strike happens with your right hand now in my right leg back. But when I am coming in front, this hand is here itself. The moment I am going to land for the strike, that is the time when this is traveling out and striking. So this comes as an element of surprise to the opponent. Okay? Because the opponent will generally see what is there in front of him. Tunnel vision. But this strike is happening from the side. So peripheral vision is very important to judge this. Knee. Breathe out when you strike and breathe in when you're relaxing and coming back, getting ready. Some. Strike. Back. Look straight. Go. And here. Very good. Change sides. You should be relaxed, okay? Very calm, composed before you start. Don't show any sort of anxiety or fear or restlessness, while doing kumite. Teach. And relax. Knee. And relax. Let's start the programming of the mind to catch the person when he blinks the eyes. Teach. Bam. Come on. Ready. Okay. Very good. Knee. Bam. And ready. Catch him fast. With the blink of the eyelid. Some. Bam. Back. Relax. Relax your body. Shi. Hai. And last one. Go! Hey! Yeah, come on. Last one. And relax. Now moving to Shuto. Okay? Shuto. The outer edge of your hand. Taisho was the inner edge of the hand. Okay? Shuto is the outer edge of the hand. There are two ways of hitting Shuto. One is you either come vertically down with a slant angle of 45 degrees, or else you go parallel to the floor. Okay, parallel to the floor. In both the cases, I'll show you how it is applied. Okay, like Haito, inner edge of the hand is taken from outside to in. Okay, this way. Okay, same way. Even Shuto, can be taken this way. Strike on the temple. Okay, the skull, side of your skull. It could be the same way, like a Haito. Even you can go for a Shuto. Understand? But normally, Shuto is hidden at the junction here, between the neck and the shoulder, on the collarbone. Okay? When I'm starting my kumite, I'm not opening my hand. It's only when I see the person blinking eye, or he giving me an opportunity to come and strike in, or else he's trying for an attack, I tap his attack and raise and strike vertically with a 45-degree angle on the collarbone here, the junction between the neck and the shoulder, over here. This is your collarbone here. Understand? Cross, not straight, not this way. Slant. Okay, are you ready? Come on. Okay, come on. Each. You can also say it as a karate chop. Okay? Knee. Now, how to breathe in this? Because your technique is important, but equal importance should be given to your breathing as well. Because if you breathe in the wrong way, you may get tired. Okay? Your technique cannot be 100% if the breathing is wrong. So everything has to go in line. The technique, the stance, the spirit, also the breathing. So how are we going to breathe? When you lift your hand up, you're breathing in. When you're delivering the strike, you're breathing out. So you hardly get a second to do this. So your breathing has to be fast. Okay? In and out, in and out. When you're doing this, you're also strengthening your diaphragm, right? By continuous breathing. Okay, come on. Let's go. Come on. Each. And relax. And come back. Okay. Look straight. Look at the opponent. Knee. And ready. Back. Okay. So we did Haito and Shuto both. So now how to apply this for self-defense? I try to go close to a person, right? And the other person can sense me coming close. So just for self-defense, the other person can always attack first. Self-defense doesn't mean that you have to always block. The first defense is always an attack. Okay? So you have to attack. Don't be soft on the target. Be very harsh and hard on the target for self-defense. Normally the person who strikes first always wins the battle. Don't be a soft target. Okay. So in case if I attack, she can use Haito to strike. Each harder. If the person is coming each, so here strong. You need to use your body to your advantage. Okay, you need to make the situation work for you. Right? Your karate is only going to be useful if you use yourself to do karate. Involve yourself to make your martial art useful. Come on, imagine somebody striking at you and how will you counter? Knee, come on, imagine. Imagine everything on the road. How will you stop somebody from harming you? Some. She. Go. Okay, now try for Shuto with your left leg stepping forward.